Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, my friends, if you haven't subscribed, I recommend you to subscribe in order for you to get notifications about my videos. Again, I'm making these videos for you, um, whether they're helping you on build your online business or at least just get the knowledge, or if you are here to just make a little extra income. I recommend you to watch this video until the end. And there's also more videos on my channel that I highly recommend for you to watch, because I'm also talking about how to become an affiliate with these other networks inside the internet, and for you to start making commissions from home or your smartphone, computer, whatever. There's more videos where I'm also talking about the some of the top 10 websites that pay good as an affiliate. And also those websites, if you are an affiliate, I mean, if you are building an online business and you need any of these networks, let's say if you need GetResponse in order for you to capture more leads, I'm gonna share a link for you below this video. There's also a video about ClickFunnels and ClickMagic. There's also a video about Amazon influencers, how to become an affiliate, and how to become an affiliate with ClickMagic as well. Okay, guys. Um, let's dive into Google. We're gonna open a new tab. We're gonna type in GetResponse, and then Google's gonna open, and we're gonna click on the GetResponse email marketing. No, wait. We are going to click on GetResponse. I think it's this one. No, it always gives me the wrong one. Okay, here. Why always? Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna click where it says GetResponse affiliate program, and then there, I am already there, right? Whenever you click on GetResponse affiliate program, you're gonna see this on your right hand. You're gonna see the login. Click on there, and then you're gonna once you have one. Okay, well, first of all, you're gonna sign up, right? You click there to sign up. I'm not gonna go through the whole process for you to sign up. You can do it by yourself, because if I do it with you guys, it's gonna take me a while. Um, and my goal here is just to give you as much information as possible for you to start doing something. Guys, if you're watching this video, don't just watch it. I recommend you to follow the steps and just dive into the website. I'm not here to give you detail by detail about every single website or network that I'm opening for you to make money or to use it for your marketing. You can log into their websites and just dive into and find information that might be valuable for you. Okay, so once you have already signed up, you're gonna get an email notification, blah blah blah. Just follow the instructions. And once you have already signed up, I mean log yeah, signed up, you're gonna log in again, and it's gonna open a screen like this. As you can see, here's my remember, for every affiliate link, make sure it has your name, where it says equals, that's your ID always for everything, guys, for everything online, for every single product that you guys want to sell online. Otherwise, if you don't notice that, you don't even know if you're gonna be getting paid. Okay, so there's, see, I put that on Google search. I'm gonna click on enter, and as you see right here on top where it says, where the Google, oops, where is it? I lost it. I clicked on something else, I'm sorry. You see, guys, this ID is always going to appear. I'm gonna zoom in for you. This, oh, okay, guys, so make sure that always your ID appears on the Google search. Okay, that's your personal URL. Okay, that's how you sign up for GetResponse to become an affiliate marketer, and you can go ahead and start sharing this link on your website, blog. If you do not have a website yet, I recommend you to subscribe with me, and I'm gonna be uploading videos about how to build a website, how to build a badass blog, and how to communicate with people out there on social media, how to connect your YouTube account with website and blog, and share your videos from your blog to Facebook, any other social medias out there. But guys, besides Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, there is also more resources, traffic source where you can go and increase your revenue. Well, but I'm gonna talk about this in another video. I don't want to overwhelm you guys. I want to take everything, I just want to take you step by step on everything that I'm doing, because if I do everything in one single video, you guys are gonna get overwhelmed. Anyways, so that's that. And then here inside the GetResponse, you're gonna find tools, you're gonna find banners for you to advertise. Let's see, these banners, whenever you have your website, okay guys, I need to fix this computer, but okay, so that was it, guys. For now, this was the whole process to sign up with the GetResponse. Oh, again, what's GetResponse? It's an autoresponder that marketers use for them to capture their leads, emails, and keep on selling, and keep on reusing those emails. Okay, but in this case, you're not gonna use it, or you can use it if you have an online business in order for you to capture leads, and those leads you can sell them more things once you have already this system, because this system, what it does, it captures those emails, and it keeps them there, and you can create an autoresponder with another offer, or send those emails to your website, blog, or social medias, or YouTube channel, and that's how you grow an online business. Okay guys, so follow me, subscribe for more videos, guys, please. If this is helping you, I will love you to like my video, give me that thumb up like this. There's the thumb below this video, there's a subscribe button. If you, I'm not asking you for money, guys. All I'm asking you is to share this information and apply it out there. This is for you. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. I'm going to talk about how to get a domain with Godaddy or Namecheap. Okay, bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.